Amazing Steve here at Panama City Beach MarineMax. Here to talk to you today about the 230 SPX Sea Ray with the 200 Outboard. That has been the hot ticket for sport boats these days, is the outboard motor. They're lighter, they're just as quick, they're more efficient, they're easier to work on. A couple things, since you don't have the engine in here, now we've got a ton of storage. I mean a ton. You can put all kinds of stuff in there, all your inflatables, everything, and when that's closed, you've also got a lounge there that's very popular with folks. You come through the boat, you've got a couple of coolers that come with it. This one's got the upgraded stereo with the boombox speaker there. You also, the 230 is the smallest Sea Ray that comes with a head. And you've got a head here in the port console, captain's console, and you've got a ton of room up front here. They've also gone to a little bit wider bow, so you can just squeeze in a few more friends. Again, a lot of fun. When you pull up in this boat, people notice.